What's really important to accelerate demand is making sure there's an alignment of incentives in the system to create demand pull on the customer side. So for example, with green steel, and then also support on the supply side to make sure that new technologies like green electrolyzers actually have the return for investors. We're very much supportive of Fit for 55 and the new policy initiatives. These policy initiatives create certainty for investment on both the supply and production side as well as in the demand. So it's keeping that supply and demand balance, which is so important. Well, the transition of an entire economy and energy system is about scale. And this is where blue plays an important part because we want to get to green, and we're starting with green, and we need to build those renewable projects and link it in with green production of hydrogen. But at the same time, we also need to be able to reuse the infrastructure we already have. We can use CCUS in the gas infrastructure and able to create blue hydrogen. And this is able to create scale. We're focused on both the renewable side of the equation, so we're building large offshore wind farms and solar farms, and then on the electrolysis scale. So for example, we're partnering here in the Netherlands with building our HKN wind farm with Eneco and the project's called Crosswind. We're then building an electrolyzer at the Port of Rotterdam, really focusing on how we can make a huge hub there for the production of green hydrogen that draws from the offshore wind and actually then creates the electrolysis in an important industrial hub. So therefore it can serve the decarbonization of transport with heavy duty trucking. It can also support manufacturing and other commercial uses.